Hello everyone, my name is Ray Yang and I'm the sales manager of Mediland, Taiwan. I'm responsible for the CIS and Southeast Asia market. Today, it's such a great honor to introduce our company and our products. Mediland as a leading medical company, we provide the best solutions for the surgical equipment and the disinfection products. Today, let's go to find out. Now, let's go to take a look about our surgical light. This is Mediland Symphony. Look at this elegance and unique design. This helps 7-pattern flower design help us win the German Radar Award. And this is the very first Asian brand to win this title. And you see, it's very easy to relocate to any position you want to. And we can change to different color temperature as you wish, and hand-free control for the intensity. Most importantly, there's a motor inside. Use motorized way to change the different pattern size. And if you want to add inline camera, there's an optional you can add an inline camera for your image systems. Now, let's have a close look about our surgical table. This is the Ares8000, our first modular design surgical table. He has so many unique and exclusive design for this table. For example, he has a carbon fiber section for each part, 4 carbon fiber, large carbon fiber and small carbon fiber. And it has a smart link. You can easy to remove and plug in, and very easy to relocate to any position you want to. And there's many alternative choices. You can buy the pelvic sections, kidney elevator for different positions, and you can choose the carbon fiber extender for the C-arm. And of course, most importantly, there's many ways to control this table, such as a jewelry controller in the center column and the wireless remote control. Most importantly about this table is the Bluetooth control system. So we can use the Bluetooth to control this table and relocate it to any position you want to. You can record the memory and one button and you can record the position you want. Very easy and very convenient for all the end users. Thank you.